All right, well, we all know that super clean is good on greasy car parts, but I wonder if it's clean, gentle enough to work on this pan. So what I'm going to do is spray on just one side. Let it soak in there for a little bit. Especially in these. I'm only doing half of it to kind of show you the before and after. Let's go ahead and let this soak in. Okay, so this side is not done, this side is. See how that's starting to come off now? That elbow grease going on there. Oops. And yep. All right, now we're back with the new toothbrush because yeah. So you can see, like, as we were sitting there, this is starting to come off. You can actually, like, this is what it looked like before, and this is what it's looking like now. You can actually see it. See how it's coming off? It's that easy. And so you can see it starting to really get in there and get all that grime and grunk. Get that hair out of there. Don't know what that's from. Ugh. Right. See how that's coming off? So let it soak for a little bit, and we have a new pan. Okay guys, well, we're back after doing some soaking and a little bit of scrubbing. So this is how we started out. See how black that is right there, and it's all black in here. Well, with a little bit of scrubbing, we were able to get it to look like this. It looks like almost like a new pan. And see, that had black in it and everything, just like on this side, but you see how that's all clean now? And even here, you can really tell, like, that doesn't have any left in it. And so I have tried, just to let you guys know, I have tried like Brillo pads, I've tried SOS pads, I've tried all these different other kinds of cleaners, but this is the first time I've ever seen the pan look this good. And I just wanted to point out too, we soaked it for a little bit, and see how this one, actually, you can see here, that's without scrubbing it. That's just letting it soak. And so we let it soak for probably, what, about an hour, and it was able to get all of that, and that's without any scrubbing. So if you just probably just soaked it in for about an hour, it'll come out like this, and you won't even have to use any elbow grease. So this stuff is awesome. I really love it, and am looking forward to getting this pan clean, because I was actually planning on throwing this pan away because it was so bad. So just to let you guys know, also Super Clean is doing a promotion with that for by putting a comment, and on the 23rd we're going to actually have a drawing, and we'll pick one of the comments. And with that, you will get free these two products. So this is like the foam cleaner, and then also the kind of like a spray cleaner. The spray cleaner is actually what I use to clean this pan. So that's how awesome this stuff is. So put your comments in the comments below, and if you're within the 48 states, then we will pick one and contact you to get your address, and then Super Clean will send this directly to you. And we'll have the drawing on the 23rd of September. So make sure you put those comments in there, and we will get this awesome product to you. So thanks. Have a good one.